Welcome to another session in this Excel series. We are going to be looking at the left function, the right function, mid function, len function, and the trim function. These are functions that we use to manipulate our text inside a Microsoft Excel notebook. So let us start from the left function. The left function is used to extract a part of a text starting from the left side. So, assuming I want to remove these misses, including the dot, from this name, so I will say left. So, you can see the text. So, which text are we working with? So, this is the text. And then, how many characters do we want to remove? One, two, three, four, including the period. So, we put 4 here. And then you press enter. You can see we have been able to extract misses out of this particular text. And then we say, and then we check it down. For the right function, it's doing the same thing, but it's going to be counting from the right side. So assuming we want to remove this Garcia, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we just say right, and then the text we want to deal with, this is it, and then the number of characters. So it was 6. So if we press enter, then we have Garcia. So if I run this down, that is the outcome. The mid function, we use it to extract text from the middle, and we specify the number of text and where we want it to start and where we want it to end. So let's start. So mid, and then, so this is text. We are still looking at this text. Start number. So assuming we want to extract Linda. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Linda is at start from 6. You put 6, and then the number of characters. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number of characters is 5, and we are starting from 6. So if I do this, if I press enter, you have Linda. But before I go, I want us to notice that I counted space as a character. So in programming, including even in Excel formula, a space is also part of a text. Good. Let's look at the len function. The len function is used to calculate the number of character inside the particular text. So assuming I want to know the number of character in this text, I just say len of the text. So I just say text, and then I press enter, it is 17. So if I write this down, that is that. So that is where all of these functions are useful in processing text data in Microsoft Excel. Now, the trim function, we use it to remove space, leading or trailing space in a particular text. So, you may not understand what this means now, but let me show us an example. Look at the left here. Let's look at the formula. No, I wrote 4 here. If I put this as 5 and I press enter, let us look at this place. By counting 5, by putting 5 here, Excel has added this space. And because it has added this space, you can see that the space is here as part of the text. And this MRS or this misses with a space in front is different from misses without a space. So if we are calling this particular, we are calling a misses in a formula, and we only specify Mrs. and the Mrs. in our data has space in the front, Excel will not be able to recognize it. So that is why we usually try to remove any form of leading or trailing space from our text data. And that is where the trim function works. So let us look at it. So I have put 5 here. Good. Having put 5 here, I will press enter. So if I check the length of this, so I will remove this and then make it to be this. So you can see that the number of characters there are 5. Even though there are only 4 that we are seeing, the space is the one that is making it to become 5. So let's go. Let me use trim. So if I use trim, I will say trim. So what is the text? This is the text, and I press enter. So you see now that we have Mrs. here and we have Mrs. here. So the Mrs. here and Mrs. here are looking as if they are the same, but let us use the length to check. So the length here is on B2, which is this, is showing 5. So let's change it to this. I press now, you can see now it has become 4. So that space has been removed. That is why usually in Microsoft Excel, when some people are processing text data like this, they will always put trim in front of it so that if there is any form of leading or trailing spaces, it is going to be removed automatically. So assuming here now, this is 5, but in front of this, we put trim and then we close it. If I press enter, you see that the music is here. Even though the 5 inside it, inside the formula should have made the space to be part of this text, but because we have put a trim in front of it, you will see that the space would have been removed. So let's check again. So we should get 4 now. You can see now we get 4. So that is why when you see some people writing a complex formula, processing text, they usually put the trim function to encapsulate the whole text so that if their formula is generating any form of random trailing or leading spaces, the trim function will take care of that. Thank you very much. Until we meet in the next one.